Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain you about a software which is very necessary for your website or your online store. Okay, and you can handle your business easily by um, handle this software. So let me show which software you need for your business or your store, and you are already seen in my um, display that I already open it. Its name is Selldone. I think you saw its name is Selldone. You just see there, run your offline and online store with an advanced business OS. Just see there, it's so smart software you can use and handle your business very effectively, and you'll grow your profit. I think it will be the very effective software for you. See that the lifetime deal is here. I can show you another features this website. Just see that operating it offline and online store without that unified e-commerce platform can feel like you are running two different businesses. Okay, and you can see that it's alternative to big commerce. I think you maybe know the big commerce. It's alternative like big commerce. Connect your online and offline using sales POS system. Wow, POS system is very good system. It's this software is best for agencies, developers, and SMB looking to manage offline and online sales in integrated e-commerce platform. I think you so that and just search on the Google, YouTube and see the overview. And I also give you the overview. So I think you don't need to see YouTube. You just buy from my description link. You can buy. The Selldone helps you track and manage all your sales thanks to built-in POS system. I think someone know POS. Everyone know maybe POS system is very good system. Integrate with popular e-commerce tools like Stripe or Razorpay. Wow, very good. You don't have to think about any payment system. Just see that easy payment system here. Manage, drag and drop everything you can do, and it helps you build and customize your online store with a suite of intuitive features. Okay, you will get access to all features of traditional POS, such as club incentives, coupon discount, payment, and receipts. So I think it's very helpful for you. And see that the customer is no code template designer. You don't have to know any code. Okay, you can do easily just seeing and following your accounts. And it helps you stay connected to your customer at all times with a wide level community, clickbait and engagement features. You can even keep your customers in loop using push notification, email, and messaging apps like Telegram. Okay, so I think it's very easiest software for you to develop your business. So if you see that it makes it easy to sell offline and online with an integrated POS system, and drag and drop please be done. Okay, no plugins putting our temporary requirements. So I think just see the features and listening my all the terms, listening my all the features I told you. And if I want to explain the plan and features, you will get a lifetime access from here. RP complaint, yes, you will get. You must active your license within 60 days of purchase, and you will get active discount codes, gift card programs, private couriers, active affiliate programs, active affiliate campaigns, Slack integration, Razorpay, Stripe, and many other 142 currency and 99 in use. So go to my description in here, you get your link and just buy it. So it is the best helpful software for you. So guys, today the best review for you. So I think you will buy and you will enjoy it. So thank you very much for enjoying my video.